So this is going to be the movement for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So first and foremost, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you've not done that yet. Make sure you like, share, make your comment. So quick analysis on our New Zealand dollar JPY. Make sure you also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we'll be posting for you guys. So quick analysis, if you take a look at it right now on our New Zealand dollar JPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. So this is our first impulsive move the markets did give us. Then here comes the corrective wave. Market was able to push us to form another impulsive move, and here comes the corrective wave. Market was able to give us a new impulsive move, and here comes the corrective wave. Then here comes the impulsive move again, and this is our corrective wave. Market was able to push out of push and form an impulsive move. Here comes the corrective wave. Now our next movement will be an impulsive movement. The market is able to take out this high right here. So that is to tell you that we are heading straight to the level of 94. Currently, New Zealand dollar JPY is trading at a level of 92. So whatever you would want to be doing on this trade, you would want to be going in for the buy till it is able to hit the level of 94. Then I'm going to give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next. On your 1 hour time frame, you can just probably wait for your pullback, right? I mean, this is a massive bullish move that market has given us here, right? You can just wait for your little bit of a pullback before you go in for the buy, which you can now hold till it is able to hit a level of 94. So bullish move for the day is what to be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys to subscribe and follow the Telegram channel also. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.